Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Clever application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Clever and start your search. Now, from the search results, once you find the Clever application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Clever application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the open button. You can then tap on it to open up the Clever app on your device. Once you open up the app, you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start enjoying the Clever application on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Clever application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.